There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve. There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Saturday, January 30th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. After GME, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, Chinese traders are betting what will pump next. Ripple demands Bitcoin and Ethereum docs from SEC amid little legal fight. Bitcoin price chart shows Elon Musk pump was an outlier. So what happens now? But first, the price of Bitcoin is down 9%. Well, this is not 24 hours. Let's try one more time. Meanwhile, the price of Bitcoin is still down 9% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 34,243, a high of 37,594, and a low of 32,827. That's $1 for 2,920 Satoshis. Volume was at 12,396 Bitcoins changing hands, above 10,000, pretty good for a Friday. The market continues to lean long, with 93% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 61.82%. Checking out the rest of the cryptocurrencies, Ethereum down 2% today, Tether down half a point. XRP up 35% today. Polkadot down 3%, Cardano down 2%, Chainlink down 2%, Litecoin down 6%, Bitcoin Cash down 3%, Stellar up 5%, Binance Coin up 3%. USD Coin is flat, Uniswap up 17%, almost had that, and Dogecoin down 41%. Ouch. After GME, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, Chinese traders are betting what will pump next. For Chinese investors, including Justin Sun, FOMO has surpassed the fear of losing money. And you know what happens next. They lose money. Rallies in GameStop, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin are piquing the interest of traders in China. On Weibo, the popular social media platform in China, the highly active crypto community is speculating on which cryptocurrency will be next. Were it not that Ripple were struggling with its lawsuit, the next token pumped by the retailers in the US could have been XRP. Of course, as we know already, XRP is all the way up to the number 4 cryptocurrency and up 35% so far today, even with the lawsuits. Let's see what else they have. XRP the most. They think maybe Stellar Lumens would be the next to pump. They're also saying it could be Tron, of course. The guy who owns Tron says it could be Tron. They say in China, the fear of missing out has surpassed the fear of losing money. And that's exactly when you start to lose money. Ripple demands Bitcoin and Ethereum docs from SEC amid legal fight. Ripple has taken the unusual step of filing a Freedom of Information request with the SEC, asking the agency to disclose documents from its Bitcoin and Ethereum investigations that are not securities. Likely, Ripple is looking to prove that they are not a security, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. Ethereum famously had a pre-mine that went to insiders, the same insiders that control the ability to print more Ethereum. Ripple famously had a pre-mine that went to insiders, and the Ripple people control billions of Ripple, so it totally wasn't a security. It just enriched all the people that made it. Just like a security. Demand dips for Bitcoin are temporary, but lack of supply is permanent. This is true. When rumors surfaced of a possible glitch in the blockchain system supporting Bitcoin, you mean rumors by press idiots, buying interest in the mega crypto briefly waned. In all markets, any seed of doubt, especially bullshit by the mainstream media, is with a somewhat hard to understand asset will send some pathetic investors to the sidelines. This is what happened for about a week in the Bitcoin markets after the FUD from the mainstream media. But Bitcoin came back. The double spend bullshit Bitcoin rumors were unequivocally proven false. They were false the whole time. They didn't even have to be proven false. Suffice it to say, in plain English, no shit, the Bitcoin system is rock solid and Bitcoin lives on unscathed. Maybe the mainstream media needs to be less stupid. Bitcoin price chart shows Elon Musk pump was an outlier. So what happens now? The price of Bitcoin has shown weaknesses after failing to clear $38,000. The failure to break $38,000 is causing a drop down. The surge just couldn't be sustained yesterday. After the $38,000 level failure, the $34,000 level couldn't provide the heavily needed support for further upward momentum. Therefore, the Elon Musk pump can be considered an outlier, and the general trend continues. This is a downtrend since the peak high of $42,000 and will likely continue unless Bitcoin's price can break through $34,500 and flip it as a support. Bitcoin investors may lose everything. Central banker, who would lose everything if Bitcoin succeeds, warns. Bitcoin investors need to be prepared to lose all their money, the same old jazz that they used to play 10 years ago. Personally, I'm not sure why people invest in those sorts of assets, but they see them as assets clearly. Our role is to make sure consumers are protected. That's hilarious. I see financial stability and movement at the moment arising from Bitcoin itself. I worry more about consumers making right choices, the central banker said. Hilarious. And be sure to check out the World Crypto Network and subscribe down below. We just did the Bitcoin group yesterday. We had a roundtable discussion with a lot of cool guys talking about the stories of the week. We've been doing Today in Bitcoin every day this week, including weekends. And check out Remembering Bitcoin conferences. We just talked about the conference in Essen, Germany, called Blockchain Hotel. And check us out again this Tuesday. We're going to be talking about a conference I went to in Barcelona. So if we can't go to conferences, we'll go back and remember them. We also did one about the North American Bitcoin conference in Miami that I went to in 2014, 2015. And they're having that conference again this week. It's online, though, so you can check it out. And check out the World Crypto Network audio podcast on Apple iTunes and other places where podcasts are heard. We are totally up to date, including yesterday's Bitcoin group episode and yesterday's Today in Bitcoin. So you can check that out. Also, check out shop.worldcryptonetwork.com. We've got the Treasures Don't Float t-shirt, Bitcoin Not Bombs 2020 Bitcoin Halvening Edition, as well as the World Crypto Network mug and shirt at shop.worldcryptonetwork.com. And thanks to everyone for donating to my new laptop fund. We're up to 55% of our goal, over $700 raised on our goal towards $1,400. Thanks to all the new contributors, With Love, Dex Chain, Space Chain. This guy says, nice one. 100 of these sats are from Ben from the podcast just now. So I don't know if you guys saw it, but on the Bitcoin group, if you watch us live, Ben has a faucet, and you can put the QR code on the screen. If you scan it with a Lightning wallet, you get 100 Satoshis. So it's a fun game to play while you're watching the show. Also, thanks to these donations of around $5, $4, $21, 3 cents, 53 cents, $104. All donations are welcome. Thanks for your support. You can donate now with on-chain Bitcoin or with the Lightning Network at Tallycoin. Link in the description below. 55 seconds till we go over 10 minutes. I think we should go for it. So I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. Had lots of fun this week hanging out on Clubhouse, talking about the GME and the Robinhood, all the stuff. It's great to see Wall Street fighting with Wall Street, and it makes everyone else reminded of the importance of Bitcoin and that it's time to come home. It's time to come home to Bitcoin. We've been waiting for you. So, thanks so much for joining us. Until next time, bye.